Good afternoon. It's July the 1st, it's hot, and I'm going to take you around POLESDEN LACEY. You're going up the stairs. There's a natural progression as you walk round. These Asian treasures. And now I'll take you outside and show you some of the grounds. So from the house, you've got that view. This is the front facade of the building. Head into the gardens and show you the bridge. And there's Margaret Greville's grave. Nice little cot. Bulbs and a few flowers. There's something just about sitting down in nature, in a lovely garden, and just chillaxing or meditating, whatever takes your fancy. Little allotments. We're currently cutting the following flower for display in the house: sunflower, verbena, and it's a garden cottage, but I think the National Trust says you can hire out and stay in. Be great. Better view of garden cottage. Oh, lovely. This is a nice little walk. Did it about 2 years ago with Dodie when we were here doing The Tempest for the show. do come to POLESDEN LACEY if you're around. It's I think one of the National Trust's premier sites in the southeast. I am a National Trust member, and it's the charity, as well as English Heritage, gets money from the government. I'm sure there's never enough money to keep our heritage alive, but it all helps. Let's go down here, a little walk. We'll go down and then we'll head back, show you the bridge from the outside. So I still haven't got the external mic adapter, which is coming this week, so do apologize if there's a little bit of rattle on the sound. It is GoPro Hero 6. You know, it is what it is. I don't know what the wind, there's a little bit of wind, but I don't know what that's going to sound like once I edit. So I'm impressed with the stabiliser on this. You don't really, in my opinion, need a gimbal. Maybe if you're doing action sports, which is what the camera's really for. Fantastic view. Look at that. Just come back up to the road, which I don't think we can go as close, so we can't get through to show you the bridge. Oh, okay. Such is such. Oh, anyway, the bridge is just down there. Fantastic flowers and fauna. There's a bunch of folk over here just playing croquet. How terribly English. Terribly middle class. Croquet. Probably the world's most boring game after cricket. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the little tour of POLESDEN LACEY estate. I'm now going to go and get into costume as Bardolph for our second performance of MERRY WIVES of WINDSOR. And as ever, I'll see you soon.